Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Storm Garage. So I just want to go ahead and give one more big thank you to everyone who has helped me get to 1,000 subscribers and just all of the amazing comments that we had in the 1,000 subscriber video. It was awesome to really see how many people enjoyed watching the content and how many people really want to push to see the channel move forward. And there was a lot of heartwarming comments that hit me that it was like, yeah. Alright, let's keep on pushing. Let's see where we can make this channel go to. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some questions first, answer some of the questions that we have. So we have a few questions. The first question is by JC Squared, and he said, did you first start out as a memer or a tuber? Now, that's the question's kind of hard because before this channel I had a different YouTube channel of which I did a bunch of gaming stuff on and things like that. And then I started this YouTube channel because I just was like, oh, I'm painting my car, I might as well start with doing something and recording and documenting it so I can look back on it in the future. And I went ahead and started doing that and editing stuff, and I really liked it, and I wanted to push the channel forward as something special. So I decided I would make a meme page to complement the Miata page. That way I could pull people in. So the next question was by I Like Celicas and Supras, and it is, will you do gaming videos, and if you will, when? I'm still not sure on this. I was asked this question many subscribers ago. Like I said, I used to do gaming videos, and I think if I do gaming videos, I'm going to release it on my other channel or make a Storm Garage 2 channel for it. I love PC gaming and doing a lot of games like that. I'm sitting here right now in front of my gaming PC recording this. But Supras, I would like to do some Need for Speed Heat videos and different things like that with you, bud, and definitely make some funny moments and things like that, but I'm not sure if I'm going to release it here on this channel, but I would like to do something eventually. Up next by Cashed Out Cars, he said, can you feel a noticeable difference with that wing on there? So my APR GTC 200 spoiler that I have on the back of my Miata, I got it when I bought it off of Craigslist. I kind of mounted it to my car and left it at the angle it was at, which is pretty much 0 degrees. I did not feel much drag with the angle that I had on there. I'm sure if I adjust it and put it on there, it'd be a little bit better, but currently where it's at, I did not feel any noticeable difference. The next question was by Monkey Wrenching, and it says, will we see the Joker at the 2021 Miata reunion? That is another big thing. I'm not sure. I think next year's trip for the Joker is only going to be to Miata's at the Gap in North Carolina. I don't think I'm going to be able to make it all the way out to Laguna Seca for the Miata reunion. As much as I would love to, that's a long drive, and I don't have a truck or a trailer to bring the Miata all the way out there from Wisconsin. But who knows? Who knows where we're gonna be in a year? It would be super cool to be out there. If I could, I'd love to make it out there. If not, you know, there'll be a 2022 reunion and a 2023 reunion, so we can go ahead and do it one of those years. Another question here by Liam McFarlane is, what do you think should be one of the first mods I do to my mostly stock Miata? Ooh, I guess that's kind of hard coming from somebody who just took all of the mods and put it on his Miata right away. Honestly, the first thing that you could probably do that would make a real noticeable difference is sway bars, either Flying Miata sway bars or Racing Pete sway bars. Just putting those in there, you notice the front of your car and the rear of your car all get, you know, tightened up a little bit more than those really tiny dinky sway bars that come on there from the factory. Or the underbody frame rail braces with the butterfly. You don't need the butterfly brace, but if you get that and the frame rail braces, that really ties the whole car together. And if your frame rail braces are smashed that are under there currently, or just the frame rails, it's a perfect thing to put on there to reinforce everything. And if you want a jacking point, if you can't jack any other part of your car up, you can jack up on those frame rail braces, which makes two things easier, you know, jacking the car up and the car stiffer. So definitely one of those two as your first mod for your car that isn't expensive to do and will make noticeable difference. The last question we have here, I thought I had more questions, but I guess this is all I have, is by Jaden Ross, and it is, what is your dream car? I guess I'm gonna have to answer it with two different answers. First, what is my dream car that's unattainable because it's a fantasy car? Or what is my dream car that is real, that I've had since a little kid, but might have changed by now, but I'm still gonna stick with it. So my first dream car, as many of you who know that are watching from the Hot Wheels community, it's been made into a real car. There's only one of them, I think, in the world, I'm pretty sure. It is the Diora 2. I have been in love with the Diora 2 since I first saw the movie Hot Wheels Highway 35.
Whoa, check it out.
I know I've been over that a bunch on this channel already in little podcasts and things like that that I do with spoilers and the things that I talk about with JC, though he hasn't been on the channel yet. Definitely the Diora 2 would have to be my favorite car, that if I could have any car in the world, that would be the car that I would want. Not necessarily with the North Star V8 that's in it currently in the model that's rolling around. Regardless, I would love to have the body of that car to be able to do something with it. Now, an attainable dream car would be, you know, basic, who doesn't want it? A 1969 Camaro SS with the light baby blue with the white racing stripes with 4-speed. If I could get my hands on one, it'd be awesome to do something on this channel. Have a huge variation of a 91 Miata racer that barely makes 100 horsepower, and you got your 300-400 horsepower big block over there. Okay. Giveaway winners, the moment everybody has heckin' been waiting for. Let's go ahead and do this. I got this little random name picker website here, and I just thought this would be a fun little website. We have 123 contestants here on this sweet thing, so we're gonna go ahead and draw the first 3 winners, and I'm gonna pick an additional 10 lines after that just to have, just in case if the first 3 people don't want the prizes or would rather pass it on to someone else. I'd like to just have it all drawn here on video for you guys so we can go ahead and really see who genuinely won so nobody feels bad. We got everybody's name in the spin wheel. First spin. Boom. All right. Oh my goodness. That is loud. We're gonna take that off. Oh. All right, who wins? All right, Rusty Wolf, you came in first place. Congratulations. I know you said that if you got any stickers, you're gonna put them on your truck. So you get first pick at what you want. You want the Underglow Kit, you want the Broadway mirror, you want the $50 gift card to SNSMazdaParts. Like I said, if you've seen the first video, you know exactly what you're getting. So congratulations, Rusty Wolf, on that awesomeness. Second place, here we go. All right, we're going through second place. All right. Ooh. Pavel's Danilovs. All right. Pavel's Danilovs. All right. So congratulations, Pavel Danilovs, on your second place winnerness. All right. We're going for the third place. Let's see what we get. Oh, and Logan Miller, you are the heckin' third place contestant on this. Logan Miller. All right, so those are the first 3 winners. Congratulations to all those awesome prizes you just won. Go ahead and message me on Facebook or Instagram, and I will go ahead and get you in contact with Alex Todd and Scotty Simsa from Spinnywoosh, and we'll go ahead and get you your sweet prizes. Now, if you guys decide you don't want those things, make sure to also let me know. I'm going to give you 5 days to take a look at this video and respond. If you haven't responded to me or contacted Alex or Scotty in those 5 days, your prize will get pushed on to another person. So we're going to go ahead and pick those people now. We're going to pick 10 people. 10 more people. So, now that Logan is gone off the list, let's spin for the next one. All right, Mad Maz. Ooh, that was a close one to winning third there, buddy. Awesome, your car's looking awesome, by the way. You will be in another Ricer Nice video. I'm liking the wide body. It's looking a lot better. Some of you may have seen the older Ricer Nice and know what his car looks like. Danny and I judged it a decent bit, so let's hear it.
Okay, fender flares suck. Also, the teeth. What is that? Ew. I like the idea of it. I think it's executed poorly. Yeah,
it looks a lot better than that now. So we're gonna go ahead and delete him off the list. All right, spin for the next one for place number 5. All right. Oh, Ooh, Nosy. Nosy, you are 5th place if nobody else claims those spots. So we're gonna go all the way to 13th place. Ooh, man. All right, Chelsea H. Yes, she has an awesome SR20 swapped Miata. So if the other people in there do not feel they want the items, then Chelsea H would be the next option. All right, gonna go ahead and spin. We're on place number 7 now. All right, JC squared would be place number 7. It appears. All right, going down. All right, Adam Kale or Kali. I'm sorry for completely butchering that name. That would be place number 8. Spin. All right. Boosted MPLS. You would be number 9 on the list. We got 4 more to do, I think. I know it's a little overkill seeing who having these extra names, but there might be some people who really can't take the prizes because they don't own Miatas or anything like that, and I really want to get these prizes out to everybody who does have a Miata and who can really utilize these prizes for whatever they need. All right, 10th place would be Joshua Beal. Ooh. Jason Martinez. Jason Martinez. You would be number 11. Okay, yes. Spin it again. Oh, there we go. That got a super spin that time. This one would have landed by Gabriel Buffard or Bauford. Sorry, buddy. I'm completely butchering. Is it Buffard or Bufford or Gabriel? Not Gabriel. You would be 12th place if everybody else decides they don't want anything from the list. So, all right, this is the last spin, the lowest of the low. If for some reason it gets all the way down here, it would be Trip Skywalker. You would win something, and I'm not even sure if you have Miata stuff, Mr. Trip Skywalker. So thank you everybody who did participate in this. I will have more giveaways in the future, so if you want a chance to win, go ahead and check back on the channel in the future for more giveaways. It might just be a random giveaway, so go ahead and turn the bell on, turn it to set to all notifications, not just one. You're scrolling through your timeline and might find a Storm Garage video. No, check out every single video because they're gonna be dope. We got some dope drone footage coming. This is my GoPro Hero 9 I'm recording with right now, mixed with my Audio Technica microphone. Yeah, I think that's about it. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and like I said, if you won here, contact me on Facebook or Instagram, and we'll go ahead and get you your prizes shipped out. So thanks again for participating, and thanks again for helping us hit 1,000 subscribers. Peace out, my dudes.